All right, we are back. We are back. This is break 808, Major League Baseball. We got Top Series 1 Hobby, 3 boxes. That's right. Here we go. Real quick eBay disclaimer. No purchase or payment is necessary to enter the eBay sweepstakes. Please check the description of our listing for the rules and regulations of said sweepstakes. Here we go. 808. Let's go. 3 hobby, and then we have one more break after this with 2 jumbos. 2 jumbos. Jambalayas. As always, we're going to save the packs for later. The silver packs for later. Keep that suspense going. Hope everyone's having a great night. Call out your teams, call out your players. Who you got, Rich? You got, oh yeah, sorry, you got Milwaukee. The Milwaukee Bucks.
The Brewers?
Oh yeah, the Brewers too. Anything Milwaukee that comes out of this box is yours. Looking for a Robin Yount auto. Okay. Is that even in here? Can't say I've ever seen a Robin Yount auto. Robin Yount. Yount. All right. Box 1. Let's go. Yep. Here we go. Right off the bat, we got the for St. Louis, got the Cardinals border. Lucan Baker. Cool. All right, here we go. Henry Davis. All card ship. Joey Votto.
That's cool.
Nice. Celebration of the Kid. Tyler O'Neill. What I'm doing, I have to go through every card per eBay, but as you can see, I do my best to pull out the rookies right off the bat or any inserts so we can at least penny sleeve them. And then if you guys notice something that I didn't notice, please speak up. Like if you see a Kevin Hart somewhere. That messes with my head trying to find that. Gavin Williams. Still want to find one so bad.
There's not, what? How many are there? 52?
50 something, 52, 55, 52. Yeah, 52.
Whatever. However tall he is, right?
St. Louis. Hey, Marito, what's up, man? We're good. How are you? Got any players in this one? Teams, I should say. Wade Boggs. Win. Soderstrom. All right. There is certainly no shortage of base in this product. J-Rod. Framber Valdez.
1/1 White Sox player. Okay.
That's what we're looking for?
There we go. Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's do it. Southsiders. Mikey Trouts. Orcio.
How you give them nicknames?
Who?
You're like Mikey Trout.
I was gonna call him Mikey Fish, but then that's a little bit of a stretch. Rainbow Trout. You never know. He might hear and go, "Oh my God, how did he know? I need to be friends with that guy.
How did he know?"
He's so cool." Who is that man? All right, come on. Warm it up, Chris. So you're gonna finish my sentence? That's what I guess now. Say, I'm about to, Mike Schwed.
Oh,
Totally missed that. So disappointed in you. I don't want to play anymore.
You don't want to play it?
No. Don't.
Uh-oh.
So,
Booty Man's here.
booty. Now see, now the party's in.
He's probably like, that's not what it is.
I gave him his own nickname. So special. Good Lord. There is an on-card Jacob Amaya rookie for the Miami Marlins autograph. That's certainly easy to miss.
That is easy to miss.
Jacob Amaya 35th anniversary throwback on-card auto rookie for the Marlins. Shortstop. Nice hit, Miami. I don't know why whenever you say that it makes me laugh.
Does it?
Yeah. There's a Dela Cruz. All right. All right, time for box 2. Let's go. You said you like this new design, right?
I do.
Doodle Brown.
I actually do like it.
I mean, why am I being tested today? Why today? Huh? Go back to Mo and be like, I need more comforting.
You never had that conversation. That's what it is.
That you think that's what it is?
He doesn't know.
Yeah.
If you had that conversation, he would be.
You'd be more upset.
He'd be more.
Well, that's coming. I'll probably save it till tomorrow.
Well, at this point, yeah.
Huh?
At this point, yeah. You have to.
Like, he doesn't know it, but enjoy your last Saturday, man. Gotta nip it in the bud.
Yeah.
That ship may sail though.
Come on, man. Summer's coming along and everything.
Mark Maron, sure. I have heard of Mark Maron, yes. Comedian. Royce Lewis. Are you Mark Maron? You gonna be our first celebrity to break with us?
I don't think he would say it that way.
Clayton Kershaw, Dodgers.
Is he funny?
Yeah, he's funny.
Yeah.
It's older comic. Oh, nice. like the Comedy Store, or is he got like a? Is he on tour?
Only boxes.
What the hell? What do we got here? We got Andrew McCutcheon for the Pirates. Home Sweet Home Commemorative Stadium Medallion. PNC Park. Out of 75. 5 of 75. Home Sweet Home. Andrew McCutcheon. Here you go, Pittsburgh. Riley. Friolo. I figured that's what you meant, Rich. Sometimes we just, our brain doesn't want to do what we say. David Hamilton, Red Sox. Habit. Curtis Mead for the Rays.
Fatty.
Yeah.
I didn't even notice.
Try to smoke it.
Funny guy.
Inky Pinky Ponky. Daddy bought a donkey. Doodle Brown for the Angels. So this is going to be out of 2024. 698 out of 2024 team card.
If you're just joining or you haven't hit the like button on the live stream, please do, and we'll do another giveaway. We're at 14 right now, so we need one more.
Mikey Trout. Murphy. Bobby Witts. Whit Marlowe. Westberg.
You know what I think
Soderstrom.
If anyone dislikes it, it takes it down by one, so no one else sees that other than us.
Oh.
Yeah.
You think that's what happens?
Yep.
Well, that's not nice.
That's at least one.
Actually, you know what it does online? I think it negates, like if they do a thumbs down, it negates the thumbs. But I'm not saying taking away. I'm just saying if they actually give you a thumbs down.
Yeah.
So there's people that don't like you. Albert Pujols, you know?
Yeah.
But you won't show it there. It's
No,
weird.
it doesn't show, but on the back end, it tells you how many people liked and disliked.
Yeah. I don't want to know the back end part.
You don't want to know the back end
No,
part?
no, I don't. I'm too sensitive. I mean, what is it going to accomplish? I mean, honestly.
Nothing.
Me knowing that 6 people liked and 2 didn't like, what is that going to give me? You know what I mean?
Listen, you're bad. Your average is 90%, okay?
90%?
Yeah.
Well, it's not too bad. It's better than any other men I'm just touching.
What?
That's all right.
What?
And I'm saying no one's got 90% anything in baseball.
No.
You're a dirty boy.
What is with your references?
Diamondback.
Like,
all right, fine. You're cute.
I don't know what YouTube short.
I didn't do anything. I don't know what you're talking
I don't know
about,
what
man.
YouTube
Atlanta.
short algorithm. You took a left turn and you're like, this is a great idea.
I didn't say it was a great idea. Just it's an idea. Out of 299, Sal Frelick for the Milwaukee Brewers. 79 out of 299 insert. For Rich Simonio. Simonio. Simoneo. Rich Simoneo.
Which is
Simonio.
about to thumbs down you. Keep trying to say his last name.
What? It's Simoneo. It's Simoneau.
Reg Thomas got it all wrong.
Simoneau. Simone. Simondom. Oh. Simon, them, O. Simon. Oh, he means, I think, then. Simon O. Simon O. See? Like spaghetti-o. So it's Simon O. I like it. I like all the vowels. Simon O. If there was no auto in that box, does that mean there is a silver pack auto? I don't know. Maybe. I guess we'll find out.
Oh, we didn't catch one.
Well, I thought
Oh
it was,
no, so it's
no, it's one auto or one patch. It's one or the other.
yeah. In the hobby boxes, it's one or the other.
See, it says one autograph or relic card. So you got the relic card. But that doesn't mean we can't get an auto in the silver pack. Let's hope. Let's hope. That's what I'm hoping.
Anything's possible.
There's a Yogi Bearism.
What's that?
No, I don't know. Don't apologize. Trust me, you're amongst friends. No need to apologize. I'm sure I've made 50 mistakes already. Post-production will tell me all about it. I gotta watch tape. I don't know about you guys. You know what I do Sundays? Actually, on Monday. So Sunday, while he's sorting and packaging, on Monday I get to watch tape.
I send him notes.
It's like tape, and I see my hands doing it. See what you did there? You know, you should have known better.
Send him notes. Thursdays are in-person meetings.
Yeah, I gotta practice my pronunciation. See how you call Rich Simonau? You just assumed he was French. Not cool. Not cool. Obviously, you didn't learn it because you said it 16 times before the man told you Simon. Oh. My job is done. He left. Shohei Ohtani. Soderstrom. Woo!
That's our week.
That's it, Hamilton.
If we broke more often.
We don't have time to break. We're always too busy talking about the 1 week, 1 day that we do break. Emmett Sheehan rookies. Was so Grinch.
Alright, 16 likes.
20's far away.
What?
20 seems far away.
No, we got 15. We had to hit 15. We were at 13.
Was that true?
Yeah.
I thought we already did it twice. Three times.
Twice.
3 times.
Twice.
All right, we're going to do another giveaway. So everybody, right before you go away, Rich, Simon O, let's all type in, what are they called? Silver packs? Silvers?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is called silver. Silver. Let's everybody write silver. Come on, let's throw out some good news. Silver. Some good news. What's a good word? Everybody write silver in chat for a free pack giveaway.
Does not matter what break you're in.
Just be in a break. Not even our break, just any break. Congratulations, you have received George Kirby for the Seattle Mariners player memorabilia.
Silver chat.
Silver. You guys are fucking hilarious. Mojo. Booty Man said, hell with yourself. I'm just going Mojo. Man wants Mojo. Silver. Josh is like, and don't you forget it. Here's a Doodoo Brown. You're going to have to randomize this one, buddy. Yep. 501 out of 2024. Doodoo Brown. J-Rod, Garcia, and Tucker. We're going to have to randomize that. Sucker. Okay.
Hey.
And I'm the one that got weird. Okay.
No,
You're rearing.
I was just
Jeff Bagwell.
I mean, run it.
You're running it now? Well, make sure you include Booty Man, who for some reason wrote Mojo.
He is. He's in it.
Okay.
Yeah, it caught.
Okay.
All right. Last chance. Right? Silver in chat for a chance at a free pack for anything that's in the background there.
Karben Młodzinski.
Holy moly.
Please write silver. Fernando Tatis. Bricks and Bones. Bricks and Bones.
AKA Josh.
Is it?
Yeah.
Hey, Josh Barney. Congratulations, Josh. What pack would you like? What team do you have? And in what break? You're going to have to look at this because I'm pretty sure I missed some rookies out. I mean, I've been completely distracted right now. Just saying.
Why are you distracted?
I don't know. For the Phillies. Walker. Did I miss one yet? Huh?
No.
Oh.
Ooh, you missed that. I got it. I always tough loader because it's like one per box. If a hobby doesn't get it as often.
Oh boy, oh boy.
What's up, CA?
Zach Aloff.
Bricks and Bones, let us know
What you would like.
what pack you want, sir.
Or ma'am.
Well, no, it's Josh, so.
Oh. Sorry. You're wondering what's back there. It's Stadium Club, Baseball, Topps Chrome Soccer, NBA Hoops Basketball, Topps Series 1, Baseball from last year, and Archives Baseball Collector's Edition. Which Major League Baseball? The Archives Baseball, the Topps Series 1, or the Stadium Club? Garrett Cole. Garrett Cole blue border for the Yankees.
That's cool.
75th anniversary. Junior Caminero.
He said, archives, please, sir.
You got it, sir, ma'am, and everybody above. All right. That will do it. Let's get those silver packs. Let me get
about the giveaway.
Oh yes, giveaway.
Jesus,
Dude,
what is?
everything hurts?
Oh, you're still
I worked out yesterday, man. Everything hurts. What do you think I'm doing?
moaning a lot. That's what you're doing. I don't know why.
The Reds next break 809. Reds. There you go. Good, congrats. All right, so real quick before as I'm opening these silver packs, Frelick Auto. We are having a giveaway. It is NCAA March Madness, so if for every spot that you have in any break in March, you are automatically entered into a giveaway of a sealed box of Bowman U basketball. So just FYI. We have Corey Seager, Sonny Gray for the Twins, Emmett Sheehan rookie for the Dodgers, Chris Bryant for the Rockies.
And we will run that the last Saturday of the month, which is March 30th. So mark your calendars.
Jordan Alvarez, Astros, Luis Robert Jr. for the White Sox, Colton Cowser, Orioles rookie. And Jordan Lawler, Diamondbacks rookie. Come on, Otto. Lawrence Butler, A's. Tony Gwynn, old school Padres. Kyle Harrison, rookie Giants. And Mason Wynn, Cardinals. Let's double check, but I'm pretty sure none of them were numbered, and I am correct. So that's that. All right. Real quick recap. We did have the St. Louis team border for Lucan Baker. We had a Doodoo Brown for the Angels. You have to randomize that. Out of 2024.
Where is it?
I think you left it right here. We're going to randomize this one right now between the Astros, the Texas, and Mariners. That's also out of 2024. Sal Frelick. This one was numbered out of 299. Garrett Cole Blue. One auto was Jacob Amaya on card. And we had two patches. One for George Kirby, Seattle. And a Andrew McCutchen for a commemorative patch out of 75. Thanks, Amarito.
All right, everyone. So for the, well, not everyone, but the three team owners, Astros, Texas,
Seattle.
and Seattle. We're going to roll 2 dice. 4, 5, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Texans up top after 9 times.
Texas.
Thanks, everyone. We'll be right back.